How to fix no audio device install or found error in Windows. For this first step, you need to restart your device. After restart, move on with next step. Restart Windows Audio Services. For this, you need to search for Services. Click it. Scroll down and search for Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint. Right click it. Click Properties and make sure the startup type it should be in automatic and running. Click Apply and OK. And click Windows Audio Endpoint. Right click. Click Properties. Make sure the startup type and the service status. Click Apply and OK. After completing, one more time right click and restart it. Wait for a couple of seconds. Close it. And the next step, search for Device Manager. Click it. Search for Sound Video Game Controller. Right click it. In this you need to update the drivers. Select the drivers and update it. If you not know the driver means you need to go to the settings and check the drivers, and after that come and update it. Click settings, click system settings, click sound settings. Here you can see, check it, check the drivers, which drivers are present, and go back, update the drivers. Once updating, after close it and come to next step. Search for Windows Update. Click it. Click check for update and make sure you have up to date. The last and final step, if none of the steps are working, means you need to go to this step. Click settings, click system settings, click recovery settings, click reset this PC and reset it. Thank you.